Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cordless vacuum cleaner and inflatable all in one. How kind of convenient is that? So we're gonna give this thing a try here, and I'll show you guys what it all is and what it contains. So here it is. So it's got a nice looking device here. So that'd be the vacuum end on that end clearly, and oh, then there's where you hook up to do the inflator to inflate the tires. Let me see what other attachments there are in here. So it looks like we have an inflator extender here, so that'll extend us on. And then we have, let's see what else is in here. Oops, dropped a piece. Okay, here's our tips. So that's what we're going to use to inflate our bike tires or whatever. Or this one here will screw on to inflate the car tire. I could just screw it on here. Oops. Well, without it being connected up, it's just going to let all my air out. Let me try this again. There we go. Now, okay, so there. Now it's connected up. Let's turn this on. It says on. It's set for 35, so we want to increase that to 42. And then I think I just pushed the power, and is it going? Pushed the wrong button. So now I'm pushing this button here, so we're at 34.5. So we will let this thing go and see if we can pump up our car to 42. So it should be inflating right now. So let's see the attachments. It comes with this one here, which is good for scrubbing out the